Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and part of being a dog owner is cleaning up after their little messes.
If you're a dog owner with a fenced-in yard like me, then I can pretty much guarantee that you're not going to pick up your dog's poop every single time they go out to the bathroom. Now, I have really small hands, so I appreciate that this pooper scooper is really quite large, so that I only need to pick up after my dog every few days. My favorite feature is the swivel on the bin, so as soon as you raise it up off the ground, it'll automatically be upright. You don't have to worry about any of your dog's mess spilling out of that bin. When I'm finished cleaning, I will put a doggy bag over the bin, dump everything inside, and I am done. It comes with a handy little rake that really makes it easier to scoop the poop into the bin. And when you're finished with it, you can clip it to the handle of the bin. The bin sits upright perfectly, ready to go for next time.
So if you want to make your job easier, I definitely recommend this bin and rake by Arm & Hammer, and that's my point of view.